This is like, if you're gonna learn anything from this class, is that one. I gotta be able to see those fires, match them to my expectation, and adjust accordingly. Hello, my name is Dr. Mohammad Bataineh. I'm with the College of Forestry, Agriculture, and Natural Resources. Today we're going to be burning a 20-acre unit, like what you see here. This is a mature loblolly pine, loblolly shortleaf pine stand. This 20-acre unit was subdivided into 4 units, 5-acre unit each. And the goal of today's prescribed burn exercise is basically to allow students to implement the fire plans that they have written. They're going to get each one of those sub-units, each one of those 5 acres, and they're going to basically practice implementing that fire plan. In other words, they will decide on the firing technique that is suitable for this unit, given the weather conditions that we have today and the site conditions that we have. And they're going to basically go ahead and start dripping fire with their drip torches in order to achieve full ignition for that unit that will achieve a fire behavior that basically is closer to or meets the management objective for this unit.